morning, we will tackle about constellations. But before that, let us know what is constellation is. Constellations come from the Latin word con, which means together, and stella, which means star. Now, constellations can be seen through astronomical instruments used by the different astronomers. Constellations are a group of stars that appears to form different shapes or patterns in the night sky. Now let's find out what constellations that we can find out in the northern hemisphere. First is Cassiopeia. Let us know what is Cassiopeia is. Cassiopeia is a constellation in the northern sky named after the vain queen Cassiopeia in Greek mythology. Cassiopeia, it is composed of 5 stars that form a big letter W. Again, Cassiopeia, it is composed of 5 stars that form a big letter W. Now let's proceed on other constellations, which is the Little Dipper. Little Dipper is a constellation in the northern sky, and it is composed of 7 stars. 4 stars forms a bowl, and its 3 stars form its handle. Now, for the last constellations is Draco. Draco is a constellation in the northern sky. The name Draco is Latin for dragon. Draco is known for its winding shape, resembling a dragon wrap around the celestial foot. Now we are done discussing the northern hemisphere constellations. We'll proceed on the constellations belong to southern hemisphere. First is Crux. Crux, also known as the Southern Cross. The name Crux comes from the Latin word for cross. Is made up of 5 stars that form a cross. Now let's proceed on another one, which is the Corvus constellations. Corvus for the Latin for cow or rabbit. Corvus constellation is in the southern sky that appears as roughly quadrilateral shape. For the last constellations, which is the Hydrus. Hydrus is a small and faint constellation in the southern celestial hemisphere, and it is named after the Latin word May water snake. Again, the constellations that we can find in the southern hemisphere, those are Crux, Corvus, and Hydrus. And the constellations that we can find in the northern hemisphere, which is the Cassiopeia, Little Dipper, Draco, and other constellations.